Good morning, dear students. Welcome to all of you in online classes of Bal Sadhana Senior Secondary School today. Good afternoon. And today we will read the about determinants. It means definition of determinants and denoted by determinants. Okay. Let's start the definition of determinants. Each square matrix is associated with a fixed number or expansion. This fixed number or expansion is called the determinants of the square matrix. It is denoted by delta or det of A or determinant of A. Okay. Again, each square square matrix, it means M is equal to N, rho is equal to colon, is associated with a fixed number or expression. This fixed number or expression is called the determinants of the square matrix, and it is denoted by delta or det of A or determinant of A. Okay. For example, A is equal to A, B, C, D. Matrix A. Order of matrix A 2 by 2. So, determinant of A is equal to det of A is equal to delta is equal to A, B, C, D. Okay. Value of determinants. First part, determinants of a matrix of order 1. Let A is equal to matrix A be a square matrix of order 1. It means 1 by 1. 1 by 1. A equal to matrix A 1 by 1, first row, first column. Be a square matrix of order 1. Then determinant of A is equal to A. Or the value of determinants is the number itself. For example, matrix A is equal to 3, 1 by 1 implies determinant of A is equal to determinant of 3 is equal to 3. It means the value of the determinants is the number itself. Okay. Any example? Determinant of A is equal to -4 is equal to -4. Next, A is equal to matrix A is equal to 5 is equal to determinant of A is equal to determinant of 5 is equal to 5. 6, 6, 7, 7. Okay. That is the value of the determinants is the number itself. Second part, determinant of a matrix of order 2. Let A is equal to A1, B1, A2, B2, 2 by 2. Be a square matrix of order 2, it means 2 by 2. Okay. Det of A is equal to delta. Determinant of A1, B1, A2, B2, and its value is given by del is equal to A1, B2 minus B1, A2. Okay. It means product of the diagonal elements. Product of the diagonal elements A1, B2 minus product of diagonal elements B1, A2, B1, A2. Okay. Again, let A is equal to A1, B1, A2, B2 be a square matrix of order 2. Order 2. It means 2 by 2. Row is equal to columns. Okay. Matrix A. Det of A, it means determinant of A is equal to delta equal to determinant of A1, B1, A2, B2. Okay, and its value is given by, del is equal to A1, B2, A1, B2, A1, B2 minus B1, A2. It means product of the diagonal elements, product of the diagonal elements minus product of diagonal elements. It means not diagonal elements a1, b1, a2. The number a1, a2, b1, b2 are called the element of the determinants. The number a1, b1, a2, b2 are called the element of the determinant A. Okay. A determinant of order 2 contains 2 power of 2 is equal to 4 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. Okay. A determinant of order 2 contains 2 power of 2 is equal to 4 elements. It has a1, b1, a2, b2, 2 row, and a1, a2, b1, b2, 2 columns. It means a1, b1, a2, b2. Okay. a1, b1 first row, a2, b2 second row. Okay. a1, a2 first column, b1, b2 second column. So it has a1, b1, a2, b2, 2 row, first row, second row, and a1, a2, b1, b2, 2 columns, r1, r2, c1, c2. Okay. For example, matrix A is equal to 2, 3, minus 1, 4 implies determinant of A is equal to 2, 3, minus 1, 4. And its value, product of the diagonal elements 2, 4. It means at minus product of diagonal elements 3 into minus 1 minus 3. It means minus minus plus, add plus 3 is equal to 11. It means determinant of A is equal to 11. That is the answer. Okay. Again, determinants of a matrix of order 2, let A is equal to a1, b1, a2, b2 be a square matrix of order 2. Okay. Det of A is equal to a1, b1, a2, b2 determinant, and its value is given by delta is equal to a1, a2 minus b1, a2. Okay. The number a1, a2, b1, b2 are called the elements of determinants. A determinants of order 2 contains 2 by 2 is equal to 4 elements. Okay. It has a1, b1 and a2, b2 2 row, and a1, a2, b1, b2 2 columns. It means determinant of A is equal to first row r1, second row r2, and a1, a2 first column c1, b1, b2 second column c2. Okay. Next type, determinants of a matrix of order 3. Let A is equal to a11, a12, a13, a21, a22, a23, a31, a32, a33 be a square matrix of order 3. It means 3 by 3 row is equal to column. Okay. And its value is given by A is equal to det of A equal to a11, a12, a13, a21, a22, a23, a31, a32, a33, and its value is given by on expanding along first row. It means R1. on expanding along first row R1. Okay. Similarly, R2, R3, C1, C2, C3. Okay. First row, first element A11. Okay. First element A11, leaving the corresponding row and column of element A11. It means first row, first column A22, A23, A32, A33. Okay. Leaving the corresponding row and column of element A11. A22, A23, A32, A33. Minus, plus, minus, plus. Okay. Minus second element A12. Okay. A12. Leaving the corresponding row and column. Leaving the corresponding row and columns of elements A12. It means A22, A21, A23, A31, A33 plus A13. Leaving the corresponding row and column of element A13. It means A21, A22, A31, A32. A11 into A22 into A33. Order of 2. 2 by 2. 2 by 2. 2 by 2. A22 into A33 minus A23 into A32 minus A12. Similarly. Okay. So plus minus plus. Plus it means I plus j E1. It means positive sign. Okay. A11, I equal to 1, j equal to 1, I equal to 1, j equal to 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 A1 number. It means positive. A12, I plus j, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, odd number. It means negative. It means minus. Okay. A13, I equal to 1, j equal to 3, 1, 3 is equal to 4, 4 even number. It means positive sign. Positive sign. Even number, positive sign, odd number, negative sign. Okay. Again, let A is equal to be a square matrix of order 3. On expanding along first row, A11, leaving the corresponding row and columns of element A11, A22, A23, A32, A33 minus A12. Minus it means 1 plus 2, 3, odd number. It means minus. 1 plus 1, 2. It means even number, plus. Okay. A13, it means I plus j. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. It means even number. Positive sign. Okay. A is equal to Aij implies I plus j even. It means positive sign. I plus j odd. It means negative sign. Okay. The number A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33 are called the elements of determinant A. So, determinant of A is equal to A11, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. The number A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3 are called the elements of determinant A. A determinant of order 3 contains 2 power 3 is equal to 9 element. 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, it means 9 numbers. A determinants of order 3 by 3 contains 2 power of 3 is equal to 9 elements. It has A1, B1, C1 first row, A2, B2, C2 second row, A3, B3, C3 third row. Okay, and A1, A2, A3 first column, B1, B2, B3 second column, C1, C2, C3 third column. Okay. For example, determinant of A is equal to 1, 2, 0, 2, 3, 1, 3, 0, 2. Order 3 by 3. On expanding along first row R1. Expanding along first row R1. Okay. Determinant of A is equal to first element of R1, 1. Leaving the corresponding row and column. It means 3, 1, 0, 2. 3 into 2, 6. Minus 0. First element of R1 is equal to 1. Leaving the corresponding row and column of element first. 3, 1, 0, 2. Minus 2. Plus minus plus. Okay. Minus 2. Leaving the corresponding row and columns of element 2. 2, 1, 3, 2. Okay. Plus 0. Leaving the corresponding row and columns of element 0. 2, 3, 3, 0. So 1, 3 into 2, 6. Minus 0. Minus 2. 2 into 2, 4, minus 3 into 1, 3, plus 0, 2 into 0, 0, minus 3 into 3, 9, okay. 6 minus 0, 6, 6 into 1, 6, minus 4 minus 3, 1, 1 into 2, 2, plus 0 into something, 0, okay. 6 minus 4 is equal to, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. That is answer of determinant A, okay. Next topic, Saros diagram to determines the value of third order determinants. Saros diagram. Determinant of A is equal to A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3 is equal to A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3 and C1, C2, A1, A2, A3 and B1, B2, B3 by Saros diagram. Okay. A1, B1, C3. A1, B1, C3, B1, C2, A3, C1, A2, B3. Okay. And A3, B2, C1, B3, C2, A1, C3, A2, B1 is equal to first line A1, B2, C3. A1, B2, C3 plus second line B1, C2, A3 plus third line C1, A2, B3 minus first line A3, B2, C1 plus B3, C2, A1 plus C3, A2, B1. Okay. Note, by Saros diagram, the value of the determinants is the sum of the product of element in line parallel. It means A1, B1, C3, B1, C2, A3, C1, A2, B3. Sum of the product of element in line parallel to the diagonal parallel line L1, L2, L3. L1, L2, L3. Okay. Parallel line. It means parallel line. Minus. The sum of the product of element in lines perpendicular to the diagonal M1, M2, M3 perpendicular line. perpendicular line. Okay. Again, the value of the determinant is the sum of product of element in line parallel to the diagonals L1, L2, L3. Okay, product of the sum minus the sum of the product of element in lines perpendicular to the diagonals. It means M1, M2, M3 perpendicular lines, L1, L2, L3 parallel lines. It means parallel line minus perpendicular line. Okay. Special condition. First point. Determinants can be expanded along any row and columns. Determinants can be expanded along any row and columns. It means R1, R2, R3, C1, C2, C3. Okay. This rule of expansion of determinants is true for any order of determinants. And third point, to find the value of determinants, easily expand it along the row or the column whose maximum element are 0. For example, a determinant is equal to 0, 0, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whose maximum element are 0? C1. It means to find the value of determinant, easily expand it along the row or the column. It means determinant of A on expanded along the first column, because maximum element are 0. Maximum element are 0. Okay. 0, 0, 2 is equal to 0 something minus 0 into something plus 2 into 2, leaving the corresponding row and column of element 2. 1 into 5, 5 minus 4 into 2, 8. 0, 0 plus 5 minus 8 minus 3 into 2 minus 6. That is answer of determinant A. If you have any doubt, then write your doubt in comment box, and remaining part of this chapter we will discuss in next video. Thank you.